Hello, fellow traders. It's Nutty Bar again, and it's time to do this again. Let's you would think eventually you would get used to recapping red days, especially when you've had four in a row. Um I doesn't I don't really care for it. Don't really care for it. I do feel pretty good about today though. I feel pretty good about today. I'm not sure, it could be the fact that I just ate a half a box of Oreos. Um, might have something to do with it, but you know what? Anyway, let's dive in. This morning's trades on Tradify. Um, the opening 3 minute range trade got stopped out, kind of got shot in the tick here, but anyway, I did size down today, so took a pretty small loss on the Tradify accounts, except except for this one account. Um, yeah, I did a thing after I ended stream. So this one account was always like $1,200 behind the other accounts. Um, I thought today was a good day. Maybe I can try to recover that gap. And you know what? It didn't work. Let's just keep it at that. Yeah, didn't work. Hit the daily loss limit on that one account, thankfully. Thankfully, I got that out of my system, and I only on one account, and yeah, walked away after that. But I did try to recover. I tried to recover. There was like a $1,200-$1,500 gap on the account balances for that account and the other accounts. And this account is now kind of as good as gone. I only have like $1,000 in drawdown left on that account. We'll try to recover it, but anyway. Okay, going back to the Apex accounts. That covers the Tradify accounts, the Apex accounts. Again, if we can just take a minute and realize how stupid the market is right now. I'm personally not a big fan of it. But I mean, I'm honestly not that upset with my trading today. I feel like in hindsight, it's easy to pick and I don't know. I feel like it's easy to cherry pick and say what I did wrong, but it's so hard. This is just not a great way, not a great market for me to trade, is the only thing I can come up with. I mean, I'm looking for pullbacks to get in on. We tested the 400s here, and then we just had a 200-point move lower. We finally get a bounce, and I took my first short trade. Of course, I'm looking to go with the trend, and got stopped out on the first trade, got stopped out on the second trade, and it is what it is. We did size down today, thankfully, so I am happy about that. But then, my final trade of the day, it's just like, and this is kind of what I'm talking about here. Like, we had these big, massive moves, but within the moves, there's little pullback. There's almost no pullback. It just goes in one direction, doesn't even give you a chance to get in unless you chase it. And that's what happened on this move higher. Well, finally we get a pullback here, and I enter. I did get my first target filled, but then just stopped out again. That was my final trade. That's kind of where I gave up. Until I started trading somewhere in here. Actually, right here was where I took the long trade on the Tradify. And I actually, full disclosure, I took it on 5 minis, and I thought I was on micros. That doesn't even matter. I got in, I thought I was trading micros, and I was trading minis. Once I was in with minis, then I was just kind of over it, and I just left it. I got liquidated. I don't even know, somewhere around here. I hit the day of loss limit on those Tradify accounts, but Anyway, I mean, overall, obviously, I had kind of a little bit of a tilt session on that one Tradify account. I'm not proud of that, but the rest of my trading today, I'm not really that. I'm not. I'm not upset, so I feel pretty good about today. It's just right now. Right now, we're struggling, and I'm actually happy. Tomorrow is going to be closed, so I will not be streaming tomorrow. And Friday, I will not be streaming either. I have to make a trip back to Ohio. And so this will be the last day until we come back on Monday. So we'll be back Monday. But until then, I think right now, for me, might be the best thing for me is to just walk away, take a 2 day, basically a 4 day weekend, not do any trades, and just kind of reset my brain and see if we can't somehow get out of this funk that we're in. So we'll be back on Monday and hopefully we can recover. But tell you what, we have dug ourselves a pretty big hole to start out the year. So I guess we're just going to chalk it up. It's part of our journey. And, you know, in life, there's always setbacks. We just got to deal with it and make the best of it. And that's all we can do. So that's it. Also, I wanted to say thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone, for your support, your comments, your kind comments, and your encouraging comments. I really do appreciate it. And some of you guys have been sending me emails and stuff with just different suggestions. And I do actually, or at least the people that I have known in my chat for a long time, I really do care about what you say, and it is actually really helpful. The random troll that I have never seen before that tells me I suck at trading, I don't really mind. I don't pay attention to that. But people that are actually constructive and want, like, actually have good intentions and sharing what works for them or whatever, I listen and I look at it and I do appreciate it. So thank you. And until next time, we'll see you guys on Monday. I hope you guys are I hope your year is going better than mine. I hope you guys had a great day. Hope you guys all have a great next couple days and have a great weekend. Take care and God bless.